Hey Kickstarter, I'm Tom, this is Dan, and this is Keen, our take on the everyday utility knife.
At Studio Neat, we love to make useful tools, and a utility knife is one of the handiest tools you can own. It's much better at opening packages than that splayed open pair of scissors you've been using, but it's also great whenever you need a quick blade for a quick cut. Our goal was to make the best and last one you'll ever buy.
This is Keen, a custom machine, all-metal utility knife. It's compact, comfortable to hold, and delightful to use. The blade is deployed via this slider. It's spring-loaded, so as soon as you let go, it sucks back in. Super satisfying and super safe. An internal magnet keeps the blade secure in the closed position, while also adding a delightful bit of feedback when deploying.
Keen uses a standard utility blade, which you can change without needing a tool. We've also designed Keen to be ambidextrous. Simply invert the blade if you're a lefty. Every part of Keen is custom machined stainless steel, making it a robust, heirloom quality object. The body is coated in Cerakote, a super durable ceramic polymer coating, and available in these 4 lovely colors.
Like our Mark I pin, Keen is a simple object with a single interface. In this case, the slider. Our job was to make that interaction as satisfying as possible, so that Keen is a delight to use every time you pick it up.
We think everyone should own a utility blade, and we are excited with how this one turned out.
We care deeply about the objects we bring into our lives. In making Keen, we wanted to design something timeless that would provide a lifetime of utility and joy.
This is our 13th Kickstarter project, so you probably know the drill by now. Your support is essential to help make Keen a reality. So if you're interested in owning your new favorite tool, hit that green button.
Thanks for watching and have a great day.